Hello, everybody. My name's Anita, and today we're going to be talking about manifesting something fun into your life. Sometimes we forget to have fun. I know I do. I get all worked up on projects that I'm doing that I don't necessarily take the time out to do something that's enjoyable to myself. Well, to manifest fun, one way I like to do it is have a focus wheel where I put in the middle the word fun. Just draw lines from your focus wheel, the middle word fun, or just write them in your journal and write everything that you can think about that's fun for you. Shopping, going out to eat, maybe playing a game with your children, doing something with your children. It will lift your spirits to have something fun to do. Don't forget to have fun. Often we get so worked up and bogged down by everyday details that we need to do, paying the bills and all that, that we don't take the time out to have fun, get grounded, go outside, do something special for yourself. So today I encourage encourage you to take a little time for yourself and do something fun that feels good for yourself. I maybe play a game of golf, maybe go shopping, maybe take your kids to the park if it's warm enough where you're at. Here it's pretty cold, but it's a beautiful day and everything here in Missouri. But I just would like to encourage you all to take time out for yourself. Most everybody's getting prepared for Valentine's Day and all that, and that's great. But don't forget to spread a little love and fun to your own self. When you love yourself and you're doing something that you like for yourself, it is not selfish. You've got to fill up your own cup before it can spill over into someone else's life. So with that, I do encourage you to take a little time out for yourself today and maybe drink that cup of hot chocolate or something and that just resonates with you, that you can do special for yourself. Buy that pair of earrings, buy that pair of shoes, whatever it is, do something for yourself that you consider fun. And with that, I'll leave you all. God bless you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.